In this video, we will show you how to transform your table into a full magnetic whiteboard. Using magnetic whiteboard, you can maximize your students' or kids' learning activities and collaboration. But before you watch the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more applications. Whiteboard wall covering is a stronger iron sheeting with matte finish whiteboard and non-tearable back. It is easy to apply using wallpaper glue. It will also encourage collaboration, experimentation, visual thinking, and spontaneous creativity, and safe for your kids at home or classroom. Plus, it doesn't just look good, it is also environmentally friendly. You can save paper with your whiteboard desk. Just use dry erase markers or even colored markers. And add fun by using magnetic educational graphics using mediamag. Creating magnetic whiteboard is very simple. Just measure the area where you want to put the whiteboard. But in this case, we made full table into a whiteboard. Put the wallpaper glue on top of the table. Then, cut the whiteboard wall covering using a utility knife or a scissor. And put it on top of the table. Use a squeegee to remove air bubbles. And last, trim the excess material using a utility knife. You can make the edge of the table as your guide. Now, if you're sitting on your old desk or watching your kids or students writing in just a piece of paper, then why not turn your desk into a full magnetic whiteboard and level up creativity with whiteboard wall covering? For more information, visit our website at www.dakergraph.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.